Welcome to Pronunciation and Meaning. In today's journey, we explore the pronunciations and fascinating facts about the planets, sun and moon in our solar system. Join us as we voyage from the fiery sun to the icy outskirts of our cosmic neighborhood. Let's start our celestial adventure. The solar system is a celestial neighborhood centered around the sun, a star that provides essential energy to the planets. It includes 8 planets, which are categorized into terrestrial, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The inner planets are rocky, while the outer planets are composed mainly of gases and ices. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a region filled with rocky bodies. Beyond Neptune, the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud host dwarf planets like Pluto and comets, marking the outer edges of the solar system. Formed about 4.6 billion years ago, the solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. It showcases a diverse array of moons, asteroids, and comets, providing a fascinating glimpse into the processes that govern our universe. Sun. 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 The sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold. The sun at the heart of our solar system is a middle-aged G-type main sequence star that provides the light and energy necessary for life on Earth. It's composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion in its core, where hydrogen is converted into helium, releasing energy in the process. The sun's gravity holds the solar system together, influencing planetary orbits and climate. It has a surface marked by magnetic activity, including sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections, which can impact space weather and technological systems on Earth. Mercury. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and has the shortest orbital period. Mercury is named after the Roman messenger god because of its swift movement across the sky. It's the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest in our solar system. Mercury has a rocky surface marked by craters. Its proximity to the Sun means it experiences extreme temperature variations, with scorching days and freezing nights. Venus. 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 Venus shone brightly, outshining stars with her luminous glow. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is the second planet from the Sun and is Earth's closest planetary neighbour. Venus is known as Earth's sister planet due to their similar size and mass. The planet is covered by thick, toxic clouds of sulfuric acid, making it the hottest planet in our solar system despite not being closest to the Sun. Its surface is dominated by volcanic landscapes and has no water, with a crushing atmosphere about 90 times heavier than Earth's. Venus spins in the opposite direction to most planets, leading to its sunrises in the west and sets in the east. Earth. 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 Earth spun silently, a blue marble in the vastness of space. Earth is named after the Old English word for ground or soil. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only known planet to support life. It has a diverse environment with vast oceans, landforms, and an atmosphere that contains oxygen. Earth's climate system and magnetic field protect life and create conditions suitable for various ecosystems. It has one natural satellite, the Moon, which influences Earth's tides and has a stabilizing effect on its climate. Moon. 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 The moon hung low, a silver disk in the night sky. Earth's only natural satellite, the Moon, plays a crucial role in Earth's tides and stabilizes its axial tilt, affecting the climate. The Moon's surface is covered in craters, mountains, and dark basaltic plains called maria, created by ancient volcanic eruptions. Its lack of atmosphere and liquid water makes it a silent witness to the solar system's history. The Moon's phases and its presence in the night sky have influenced human culture, calendars, and exploration desires. The Moon is called the Moon because its name is derived from the Old English word mona, which traces back to ancient linguistic roots associated with time measurement and the monthly cycle. This term shares its origins with Latin and Greek words related to months and measuring time, highlighting the Moon's role in tracking the passage of time through its phases. Mars. 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 On Mars, the Curiosity rover's cameras snapped images of the desolate red terrain. Mars is named after the Roman god of war because of its red colour. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Often called the red planet, its reddish appearance is due to iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. The planet has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and features such as valleys and desert landscapes that suggest water once flowed there. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Both names are Greek, meaning fear. Jupiter. 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 He adjusted the telescope, focusing intently until Jupiter emerged from the cosmic canvas, a majestic orb suspended in the night sky. Jupiter is named after the king of the Roman gods. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in our solar system. It's a gas giant, with a composition mainly of hydrogen and helium, and it's known for the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm larger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field and at least 79 moons. Saturn. 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 Saturn is famous for its beautiful ring system. Saturn is named after the Roman god of agriculture and wealth. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in our solar system. It's most famous for its stunning rings, made up of ice particles, rocks, and dust. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. It has a multitude of moons, with Titan being the largest, which is larger than Mercury, and is the only moon in the solar system with a dense atmosphere and liquid bodies of water on its surface. Uranus. 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 Through the lens, Uranus appeared a distant, icy mystery. Uranus is named after the Greek god of the sky. The adoption of Uranus as the planet's name marked a departure from the tradition of using Roman deities' names. However, it created a new pattern where celestial bodies discovered in the modern era, including moons of Uranus, were named after characters from various mythologies, including but not limited to Roman and Greek. Despite its Greek name, the tradition of naming astronomical objects after mythological figures continues, blending historical and cultural influences across different civilizations. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is unique for its sideways rotation, with its axis tilted over 90 degrees relative to the plane of the solar system. This results in extreme seasonal variations, with each pole getting 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus is an ice giant, with an atmosphere primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, plus methane, which gives it a blue-green colour. It has a ring system and 27 known moons, named mostly after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Neptune. 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 Neptune's blue hue shimmered, a silent giant adrift. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea, reflecting its deep blue colour caused by its atmospheric methane. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun. The planet is similar to Uranus in its composition, being an ice giant, and has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, 1,300 miles per hour. Neptune has 14 known moons and a faint ring system, with its largest moon, Triton, being geologically active and having geysers of liquid nitrogen. Pluto. 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 Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto is named after the Roman god of the underworld. Pluto is known for its complex surface, with ice mountains, nitrogen glaciers, and a heart-shaped region called Tombor Regio. Once considered the ninth planet, Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies and remnants from its formation. Its atmosphere is thin and composed mostly of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Pluto has 5 known moons, with Charon being the largest, almost half the size of Pluto itself, leading some to consider them a binary system. Despite its demotion from planetary status in 2006, Pluto remains a subject of fascination and study, particularly following the New Horizons spacecraft's flyby in 2015, which vastly increased our knowledge of this distant world. Thank you for watching.